What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today had to go to Lowe's, get some silicone and some scissors because I have to replace the shower house. Hopefully I can repair it with this new shower house that I bought. Branch fell through it and knocked out a bunch of the supports on the roof. So hopefully I can just replace those supports with this. If not, I have to build a whole new shower house. It's all good though. It's a beautiful day. It's Sunday. It's like 80 degrees outside. Nice little breeze blowing. So let me head that way. Finally made it out here, and it is gorgeous. All the leaves are on the trees now. We are legit in the forest. Like I said, I gotta do this greenhouse here. Hopefully I can just repair the part that's broken, but we'll see how it goes. I did have some people stay last night. They just left about an hour or so ago. Just gotta check the place out and see where everything's at. Anything needs to be moved or replenished, but let's see what this greenhouse looks like, because I haven't been out here since it was broken. So I mean, it looks okay from the outside, but on the inside you can see here it is bent. Bent. So maybe I can get a piece and replace this. But we'll see. It just doesn't look good at all. This is where a tree branch fell on it a long time ago. In the fall, a tree branch fell here. But this part here is newly damaged piece. But I might be able to fix this. Oh, let's see. All right, so I was able to use one piece. one piece off that new greenhouse that I bought to put this one back together, because I did not feel like taking this whole thing apart and building a whole new one when I can just fix it with that one piece. The only thing I had to do was trim that on the end because it was longer than these pieces here. For some reason, it's a different brand, so I guess the peak's higher on the one that I bought. And the reason I bought a different brand is because it was like $100 cheaper than this one. Just trying to save a little money. But anywho, I got it fixed. It's fixed. It's just that one piece is black and the rest of them are raw aluminum. I could not get this bent back. It was just, I don't have a metal shop here, and I don't have pliers, and you can see how it is just bent all cattywampus like. I was able to straighten it out a little bit, but I just couldn't get those pieces separated right there. I only brought some box wrenches and an adjustable crescent. That's all that I brought. So that's all I had to work with. Anywho, it is back together. I got a clip in there, and I got a clip in there. It works. It just looks a little different, but it works. All good. This flex tape, this is clear flex tape. This stuff is so sticky it will not come off. Won't come off. So it's staying on here. It'll be all right. Next thing I have to do is I have to put some stained glass window cleaning in here, because I don't want to have to use the shower curtain, because it's down there on the ground. It got hit by the branch too, so I would have to buy a new ring. So I'm gonna put up stained glass cling in here, and I think what I'm gonna do is get just a shower curtain to go from here to there and here to there, maybe. If that's possible, I could just hang up a metal string right there and just use that as a shower curtain, but somebody probably catch their neck on it. But yeah, I'm gonna put clings on these walls. Like, you can you can kind of see through this, right? But you can't really make out anything. But there's people worried about, you know, the squirrels seeing their booty. So we don't want any squirrels acting like peeping toms. So I'm just going to go ahead and rectify that issue so people don't see your, what rhymes with rectified, that's on your bottom side. Yeah, that. Anywho, let's get to work. All right, so I got done, got the one I wanted to get done. I got the stained glass on there. You can see it's on this side too. So now you cannot see through this. I'll show you. So my hand's back here. I'm in the shower. You can't see unless I'm right up next to it. And then also on the inside, there's a wasp in here. Shoo, wasp, shoo. On the inside, it does rainbow. It's got the rainbow effect, which is cool, right? Let's see on the door. Yeah, so I just got to get some more. I got to get some more good on here, there, this panel, that panel, that panel, that panel, and that panel. But there's enough coverage right here if you have guests and you don't want anybody to see your little stankaboo and like they're eating there or whatever, or they're up there, they can't see you through here or through there, and there's no one on that side, nobody but squirrels. So yeah, I'll just have to come out here and finish this up, but I think it looks good. Got done what I wanted to get done. I got the I got that support back up. My cleaner came out here while I was here and she cleaned up the tent. Reset it for the next guests. I do need to put more air. There's a tube in the bottom of that that helps support it. I need to put more air in it, but I didn't bring my pump with me. But it is absolutely, positively a gorgeous day in Uwari. You should come try it. Book while it's cool. There's a nice breeze blowing right now. In the summertime, it's going to be hot. I do have the Icy Breeze portable air conditioner up there, and I am going to build a for the generator over there and get one of those little portable ACs and put it up in the tent. That'll probably be middle of summer project, so that you can turn the generator on, hook it up, AC in the tent, and it'll be icy cold. But the Icy Breeze is enough. It's enough, especially if the breeze is blowing like it is today. Anywho, thanks for watching.